We're going to go ahead and have our circle time. It is January, and it is the 28th day of January. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go, Days of the Week. Clap those hands. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let's sing. And there's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Clap, clap, your turn. And there's Monday, Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday. Then there's Saturday, days of the week, clap, clap, days of the week, clap, clap, week, days of the week, days of the week, clap, clap. All right, and today is Thursday, January 28th, 2021. Let's go ahead and figure out, I'm going to move this over. Nope. Messing up my little days of the week. How do I make it smaller? It's not letting me take the corner. All right, let's see here. All right, let's take a look at our pattern. Let's start here at the 17th with our snowman, and let's say our pattern together. Here we go. Snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin, snowman, penguin. Wonderful. We said today it was going to be sunny with some clouds. Is it sunny and cloudy out there? No, it's not raining, but it's very cloudy and very cold and what? What did you say? Windy. It is very cloudy and cold and windy. It's not a very nice day to be outside, so that makes it an inside day. All right, let's say our alphabet. Here we go. Sing it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, let's count to 15. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, deer, and fear. Those are rhyming words. They sound the same.
I like to watch it.
All right, let's watch it. Oops, sorry, wrong button. We're working on the letter F this week. What letter are we working on? F. What does F say? Bite that lip. Push that air through. We have F at the beginning of fish. The number 5. A fox. The number 4. Me either. Don't touch it because it's fire. And this is a fan. All right, let's stand up and think about where we start our letters. At the top. Where do you start? Top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. At the top. Or do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Top. Here we go. Ready? Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Is it the top? Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Alright? Way down. Is that the bottom? Is it the bottom? Reach out and touch the bottom. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Up. Come on in. Shake it in the middle. Top. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top. Here comes the shake. Would you start your letters at the top? Would you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Go down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it. It's the top. All right. Time to end on. What letter are we making today? F. So we start with our big line down. Under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We grab our little line and put it at the top. We grab our other little line and put it in the middle. And what letter did we make? F. Eli's ready. Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the middle. Very nice. I think we'll work on that today. See who can build and who can tell